Let's talk about the 4 most common questions we get when it comes to emails for an Evergreen sales funnel. Hi, I'm Sammy, half of the Funnel Flippers, and I am so excited you're here. If you're into all things digital media, including copywriting, design, tech and automations, transforming your live launch funnel to Evergreen, then this is exactly where you want to be. Hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on our new video every single week. Question 1. I'm transferring my live launch funnel into Evergreen, but I have an existing email list. What do I do with them? First off, you want to continue to nurture the F out of them, right? Keep sending them those weekly or bi-weekly emails or newsletters. But you also want to make sure that in your email software, you have everything tagged and segmented into who attended your tripwire, whether it's a masterclass, a workshop, a webinar, a challenge, those who did not attend, and then those who did attend but didn't purchase, right? Because then you can create emails to each separate segment of your list. If it's been more than 4 months since you did your last live launch of whatever your tripwire is, then you can absolutely send a couple invite emails as you're turning it evergreen to your list of those people who haven't attended, right? It's been a while since they've seen it. Maybe now they're at a part in their business or their life that it resonates with them. And so you definitely want to re-invite them if it's been a while, even though you're launching to Evergreen. 2, what do I do to those people that have attended the Evergreen webinar? Well, don't think too hard about this, right? You currently, when you're live launching, you have a sales sequence that goes out after they attend whatever your live webinar or workshop is. Okay, so you just need to optimize that sales sequence, and so it works in the Evergreen format. You want to send them, 3 to 7 emails, depending on what your product is, how expensive it is, how much information they need, or how much time they think they need to process it all. And so with this Evergreen nurture sequence, what they're going to do is they're probably going to sign up for your pre-recorded webinar, workshop, masterclass, and then they're going to attend it and then be sent the sequence, right? We have found the best luck with sending an email within 2 hours after signing up saying, thanks so much for signing up for XYZ. I'm so excited you could join me. If you had tech issues or had to leave for any reason, here is the link to the replay for that. And then, sign off as normal. Then the next day, you can start sending sales emails to whatever that tripwire is leading into. Question 3, I have an Evergreen webinar, but I don't know what to do with those people that don't buy. It's very similar to question 1, right? You need to continue to nurture them. Did you know that 80% of sales happen between the 5th and 12th contact a person has with you? So just because they attended your workshop and didn't purchase your product immediately doesn't mean that they're not going to purchase. They just need some more time to know, like, and trust you, and then to prepare themselves for whatever it is your product is offering. In ActiveCampaign, and I'm sure other softwares, you can add a conditional section to your newsletter. And so you can make a condition as to if they attended the webinar but did not purchase, then you add the section that's like, don't forget, I have this amazing offer that will help you do A, B, C, D, E. You can learn more about it here. And then there's that call to action, but it won't send to everyone that either did already purchase or did not ever attend that webinar. And number 4, what email sequence is the most important when going evergreen? Well, I think almost all email sequences are super important and have a purpose, right? But the easiest to implement is an abandoned cart email, right? If you have a 2-step order form, the people are going to put in their name and email prior to checking out. Then when you set up an abandoned cart, it will send them reminders. And this is so important. 1, some people don't have their card information on them and they have a sleeping baby on them, or maybe they're just too lazy to get out of bed and to get their card. So that reminder email, that abandoned cart will come and they'll be like, yes, now I have my card, I'm ready to purchase. Sometimes people go, they fill out the information, they go to check out, and something comes up. Someone knocks on the door, or, the baby starts screaming, and then they just lose track until the next day. They're like, oh yeah, I was going to buy this. What was it called? I can't remember. If they don't have that reminder or that abandoned cart email, then, it might just be a lost customer for good, right? You could also use your abandoned cart emails to ask questions such as, what stopped you from purchasing at this time? If you're not ready, do you mind sharing feedback with me? How can I help you be ready for this purchase? This will help you cater your workshop or your sales page or future emails, all to solve this objection that people are facing that you might not have otherwise been aware of. All right, so the big thing about emails is, one, they are to nurture your audience. You always want to provide value, and you always want to help build that rapport with them, right? They crave that relationship. They want to know you, and they want to know how you can help them. And whenever it comes to emailing in your Evergreen funnel, you want to provide value while building rapport with your audience. And you need to remember that 80% of sales happen between the 5th and 12th time that they see you, right? And new numbers are coming out that it's actually happening more to the 12 to 15 range. So don't give up, and don't just forget about those people on your email list just because they attended one webinar and then bounced out, right? Okay, I hope this helps. If you have any questions at all, ask below. Visit our website, thefunnelflippers.com, or find us on Instagram or TikTok. Okay, bye.